Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our general knowledge book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with it. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter of our new book, that is the first chapter, Animal Groups. You know, all the animals which we find on an earth, जितने भी animals हमें अपनी earth पे मिलते हैं, हमने उन्हें अलग अलग ग्रुप्स में कैटेगरी में या फिर कह सकते हैं बांटा हुआ है. वी हैव सेपरेटेड देम इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज एंड देयर आर सर्टेन पिक्चर्स गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर. और अब हम उन पिक्चर्स को रीड करेंगे. वी विल टेल यू द नेम ऑफ द एनिमल एंड देन वी विल पुट देम इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप्स. ओके, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द चैप्टर. इट सेज many types of living organisms are found in the world. तो कई तरह के living organisms दुनिया में पाए जाते हैं. Scientists who study all life forms, they are on the earth called as the biologists. यानी कि जो भी scientists or the people who actually study all the life forms, और जितने भी जीवित प्राणी हैं हमारे अर्थ पे, इनकी जो स्टडी करते हैं, those people are known as the biologists. These biologists have classified animals according to their unique features. इन biologists ने हर एनिमल को उसके यूनिक फीचर्स के अकॉर्डिंगली क्या किया है, क्लासिफाई किया है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कि उन्हें अलग अलग ग्रुप्स में बांटा गया है. So now let's go through these pictures and do the exercises. Write the name of given animals in the correct group. Now first we'll read the names of the animals. Now what is this picture? This picture is actually of a lizard. The second picture is of a crocodile and the third picture here is of a kangaroo. So the first one is lizard, second one is crocodile and the third one is kangaroo. Let's now move further to the next picture. The next picture is of a whale, then it is a kiwi. The next picture is of an ant. Then what is this? This is an insect and it is called as cricket. These two are what? They are called as penguin. And the last picture here is of a python. On the next page, they have given the picture of a bat. This is a bat. What is this? This is cat. And the next picture is of a butterfly. Then we have a duck over here. This is grasshopper. And the last picture is of a parrot. So just now you have seen various pictures of various animals. Now what we'll do is we'll categorize them according to their features. Now here we have a block given over here and it is divided into 4 parts, that is the reptiles, birds, mammals and insects. Now since we have already read about the different pictures, now let's categorize them according to their groups. The first category is actually reptiles, the second category is birds, third is mammals and the fourth one is insects. So these are the names written of the animals which are given in the picture. The first one has been done for you, it is lizard. Then the second one is crocodile, third is python and fourth is tortoise. Then we have the other group, that is the birds. Which all pictures did you saw earlier in your book? The first one was the of the penguin. Then we have the kiwi. Third one is parrot and the fourth one is duck. Then the next category or the group is mammals. Mammals means those are animals which actually give birth to babies. First one is cats. Second is bat. Third is whale. And the fourth one is the last one, kangaroo. They give birth to babies. Now there is the last category of insects. The first one is butterfly. I am sure आप में से काफ़ी को नहीं पता होगा कि butterfly भी एक insect है. Then the second one is ant. Third one grasshopper. And the fourth one is cricket. So this is how we can have to fill the names of the respective animals in their respective group. Thank you for watching the video. Keep studying till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.